Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're exploring 6 of the best mechanical keyboards built for gaming dominance, typing perfection, and ultimate customization. From lightning-fast actuation to premium build quality, these keyboards are designed for those who demand precision, performance, and personality in every keystroke. Whether you're climbing the competitive ranks, coding through long sessions, or crafting the perfect custom setup, these keyboards combine cutting-edge technology with features that elevate your experience like no other. Let's get started. Number 6. Turtle Beach Vulcan 2. The Turtle Beach Vulcan 2, Usability Moton 2, is engineered for competitive gamers who need speed and reliability when every millisecond counts. Featuring Turtle Beach's proprietary Titan II optical switches with near-instantaneous actuation and 100 million keystroke lifespan, this keyboard delivers tournament-grade performance. The aircraft-grade aluminum top plate provides rock-solid stability during intense gaming sessions, while the slim keycap design reduces key travel distance for faster response times. Smart lighting technology offers per-key RGB customization with dynamic effects that react to in-game events. With dedicated media controls, a detachable magnetic wrist rest, and anti-ghosting across all keys, the Vulcan 2 keeps you comfortable and in control. The sleek minimalist design with RGB underglow creates a premium aesthetic that looks incredible on any desk. Full N-key rollover ensures every input registers perfectly during complex key combinations. The Turtle Beach Vulcan 2 retails for approximately $130 USD. Number 5. Ajaz AK820 Pro 75%. The Ajaz AK820 Pro brings premium features to the compact 75% layout at an incredibly competitive price point. This keyboard features a gasket-mounted design that provides a softer, more satisfying typing experience with excellent sound dampening. Hot swappable sockets support both 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, letting you customize your feel without soldering or permanent modifications. The 1000 Hz polling rate and tri-mode connectivity via USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 Hz wireless ensure versatile compatibility with all your devices. South-facing RGB LEDs eliminate interference with cherry profile keycaps while delivering vibrant lighting effects. Multiple layers of foam and silicone dampening materials reduce hollow ping and create a premium thock sound signature. With PBT double-shot keycaps, a 4000 mAh battery for extended wireless use, and full programmability through VIA software, the AK820 Pro delivers exceptional value for enthusiasts and beginners alike. The Ajaz AK820 Pro retails for approximately $90 USD. Number 4. Keychron K8 Pro. The Keychron K8 Pro is a wireless tankless powerhouse designed for both Mac and Windows users who value flexibility and quality. This QMK VIA-enabled keyboard offers unlimited customization potential, allowing you to reprogram every key, create custom macros, and build complex layers tailored to your workflow. Hot swappable Gateron G Pro switches provide a premium typing experience out of the box, with the freedom to experiment with different switch types as your preferences evolve. The double gasket design with silicone pads and acoustic foams creates an incredibly refined typing sound and feel that rivals custom keyboards costing twice as much. OSA profile PBT keycaps offer excellent texture and durability with Mac-specific legends included. With 4000 mAh battery capacity providing weeks of wireless use, wired mode for zero latency gaming, and both Bluetooth and cable connectivity, the K8 Pro adapts perfectly to any setup. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame ensures lasting durability. The Keychron K8 Pro retails for approximately $110 USD. Number 3. NuFi Field 75K. The NuFi Field 75HE revolutionizes the mechanical keyboard space with cutting-edge Hall-effect magnetic switch technology. These contactless switches use magnetic sensors to detect keystrokes, offering adjustable actuation points from 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm that you can customize per key for ultimate precision. Rapid trigger mode enables instant key reset the moment you release, providing unprecedented speed for competitive gaming. The unique 75% layout includes a clever rotary encoder knob for volume control and customizable functions. Premium construction features an aluminum chassis, palm plate, and triple-layer dampening for exceptional build quality and acoustics. Tri-mode connectivity with low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and wired USB-C ensures seamless compatibility across all platforms. With full RGB backlighting, NuFi console software for deep customization, and a 6,000 mAh battery, the Field 75HE represents the future of keyboard technology. The innovative magnetic switches eliminate debounce delay entirely for the fastest possible response. The NuFi Field 75HE retails for approximately $180 USD. Number 2, Corsair Vanguard Pro 96. The Corsair Vanguard Pro 96 combines professional-grade performance with the space-efficient 96% layout that keeps number pad functionality without sacrificing desk space. Featuring Corsair's premium MLX red linear magnetic switches with adjustable actuation and rapid trigger technology, this keyboard delivers tournament-level responsiveness with unmatched customization. The flash tap feature intelligently prioritizes the last press directional key, eliminating input conflicts during rapid strafing movements. Constructed with a CNC machined aluminum frame and sound dampening layers, the Vanguard Pro feels incredibly solid and premium. Advanced IQE software integration provides unlimited RGB customization, macro programming, and cloud-synced profiles across your entire Corsair ecosystem. Tri-mode connectivity includes ultra-fast slipstream wireless, Bluetooth, and wired modes with 8,000 Hz polling rate for the lowest possible latency. Hot swappable PCB and included switch puller let you experiment with different MLX switch variants. The Corsair Vanguard Pro 96 retails for approximately $200 USD. Number 1, Keychron Q1 Pro. The Keychron Q1 Pro stands as the ultimate enthusiast keyboard, combining premium customization with wireless convenience in a beloved 75% layout. This fully assembled masterpiece features a full CNC machined aluminum body that provides incredible heft and stability, making it feel like a luxury product that will last decades. The innovative double gasket mount design with case foam, PCB foam, and switch pads creates one of the most satisfying typing experiences available at any price. QMK and VIA support unlocks infinite customization possibilities, from complex macros to advanced lighting effects and multi-layer functionality. Hot swappable sockets accept any 3-pin or 5-pin MX-style switch, while screw-in stabilizers come pre-lubed for smooth modifier keys. Premium PBT OSA profile keycaps with dye-sublimated legends feel incredible and develop a beautiful patina over years of use. Wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz dongle pairs with a massive 4,000 mAh battery, while wired mode delivers 1,000 Hz polling. The Q1 Pro represents keyboard perfection, balancing customization, build quality, and usability. The Keychron Q1 Pro retails for approximately $210 USD.